If you're experiencing automation errors on MailerLite, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues quickly. This guide will help you identify common problems and implement effective solutions. Step 1. Check your triggers. Ensure that the triggers set for your automation are correctly configured. Review the conditions that initiate the automation to confirm they are accurate and functioning as intended. Step 2. Review your email content. Examine the content of the emails being sent through the automation. Look for any broken links, missing images, or formatting issues that could cause errors during the sending process. Step 3. Verify subscriber status. Check the status of the subscribers in your automation. Make sure they are active and have not unsubscribed or marked your emails as spam, as this can affect the automation's performance. Step 4. Test your automation. Run a test of your automation to see if the errors persist. Use the preview and test features in MailerLite to simulate the automation process and identify any specific points of failure. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue remains unresolved after following the previous steps, reach out to MailerLite's customer support. Provide them with detailed information about the errors you're encountering for more tailored assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix automation errors on MailerLite efficiently. Don't hesitate to seek help if needed, and keep your email campaigns running smoothly.